Welcome to the new Trelleborg TLC Plus app. Today you'll discover how to install and configure Trelleborg's new solution, which is designed to control the tire pressure of your tractor. TLC Plus stands for Trelleborg Load Calculator Plus, an advanced sensor-based checkup system which measures the gap between the optimum tire pressure and the actual one on your tractor. The first thing we need to do is to go onto the App Store or Google Play, search for Trelleborg TLC Plus and download the app. Now open the app and enter the TLC Plus section. Then register yourself as farm owner. Create your user ID and password. Accept the privacy terms. Click Sign Up and enter your data. Once you have registered, you will receive an email with a link, which you need to click to confirm your credentials. Now you can create your farm within the app. To do that, you'll need to submit details about your farm via the app. It's now time to configure your fleet. In just few simple steps, you can calculate the recommended pressure based on your machine's configuration. Now let's install the TLC Plus kit. Unbox your TLC Plus kit and get ready to install it on your machine. The TLC Plus kit comprises a gateway, sensors, a lighter, and a USB cable which connects to your tractor. First, install the gateway on board. The gateway is a fundamental element of our solution because it's the bridge between sensors and your smartphone. Therefore, you need to ensure that it's always on when you measure the pressure. In the box you have received, you will find a cable and a charger that you can connect either to an USB port or to the lighter inside the cabin. Switch on the gateway. The blue light will flash once connected, while the red light will flash to signal that the gateway is charging. Once you have connected the gateway, you can position it wherever you want in the cabin, using the strip provided in the box. Remember, the gateway sends and receives data, so try to position it in the right location for an optimal transmission. Now we can start the pairing process and connect the gateway to the tractor. You will need to pair each sensor to each tire. To do so, the app will detect automatically all sensors. You need to select the right sensor for each tire from the list using the unique serial number that you will find on the side. Once successfully paired, this will be saved permanently on your fleet and can be used by all members of your farm. Replace the existing backup with the sensor and screw it well. Repeat the same operation for each of your machine's tires. When all sensors have been paired, you will see the green message "Go to pressure check," following which you can now start measuring the pressure of your tires. Check whether the pressure corresponds to the recommended targets. You can now, if needed, adjust the pressure and run the check again. The check and the administration can also be done remotely on your PC using the TLC Plus platform. For more information, check the mail you have received during the registration process. We recommend that you invite your tractor operators to join the tool. To do that, you need to create their profile and send them an invitation to use the TLC Plus app. Once you have done so, they will be part of your team that is able to control the efficiency of your farm when using your machines. Thank you very much for your attention. If you require additional support, please send us an email to trelleborg.tlcplus@trelleborg.com. And now let's enjoy the drive with TLC Plus.